Binibining Pilipinas 2009 pageant, reigning with beauty, brains, and controversy. Just like the previous years, hindi nawalan ng issue ang most prestigious beauty pageant sa bansa. But this time, bago pa man ang coronation night, ay gumawa na ng ingay early this week ang pagka-disqualify kay candidate number 13, Sandra Seifert.
Bye-bye.
And model na dahil sa pag-post to perform for a men's magazine ay
Wag ganun, Mayal.
sa pageant night.
Hindi maganda ginagano ng baby. Ano ko, hawak. Ano ko.
Showed me a letter stating that they're gonna have to
Good. Good.
So that was
Alright.
last Tuesday. And then I made
Is that your bag now? Ooh.
consideration.
Oh, so cute, really. Alexa, smile.
Talking to them.
Smile. Say Papa.
Decided to stand
Papa.
firm with
Papa.
their much
Call Papa.
free decision. I can't cry over my spilled milk, you know, so I can just learn from this and yeah, move on.
Surprisingly, Sandra was one of the men
Ay.
who watched the coronation night kagabi sa Araneta
You throw your bag? Oh, get it again. Yan. Very good.
Dahil among the 23 beauties were either pageant veterans, showbiz figures mula sa mga pamilya ng past beauty queens o kaya nalilink mismo sa mga artista gaya ng former Binibining Pilipinas Secretary
Wak with mama.
na girlfriend ng pageant host na si
Racist
Paolo
ka. Wak with
Briones.
mama.
Dumating din si Polo Ravales para suportahan ang napapabalitang Karen girlfriend niya kagabi na si Bianca Paz. And for Rich Asuncion na ginamit ang
with
real
mama.
name na Michelle
Papa.
Alvarez,
Call Papa.
co-stars Tax Daddy
Papa.
Sierra, sina LJ Reyes, Rhea Nakpil, and friends.
Call Papa na. Call Papa. Papa. I love you, Papa. How are you now, Papa? I really miss you na. Say it. Come on.
A portion sa pagtatanong ng mga bigating board of judges that night, which included Richard Gomez and Regine Velasquez. From there,